Let's begin with the most basic of stitches, the single crochet. All it is, I'm just working on a sample piece here, is you put your hook into the stitch or the chain space if that's what your pattern wants you to do. You pull up a loop, you yarn over and you pull through both loops on the hook. That's all it is. Just with the single loop on the hook down into the stitch or the space, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through the two loops. And that's the single crochet. Very basic. Into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through two. Or sometimes your pattern might tell you to go between stitches or in a chain space. You'll have to do that as well, like that. And pull through. You can see the difference. This one is in the stitch. This one is between the stitches. I'll do another between, like that. Or you can go into the stitch. You must always do what your pattern tells you to do. In default, if there's nothing else there, if it doesn't say, then you usually have to go into the stitch below, unless you're specified to go elsewhere. And that's the single crochet. Very simple, very easy.